Hello. I'm going to share with you another vegetable that you can grow in your backyard. It's kale. Very economical and easy to grow. And you can grow it in less than a year. This one is 2 years old. Look at this. It's only one kale. When it grows like this, at this high, you can cut its head. If you cut its head, it will grow more branches from here. They grow well. This branch is like a tree with many branches. A lot of kale you can eat, so I cut them off. I just cut one branch off of the main branch. It will grow many other branches from there. Therefore, that is why kale is economical and good stuff. If you grow in your backyard, do not take the whole plant off when you harvest it. You just cut and eat branches and leaves. You just cut the head. Then they regrow other new branches. Do it again and again. Look at this one. This one will grow as high as that one. It even grows well in the winter time. Now it's in March. You can have kale to eat in the winter. That is why kale is good to grow in your backyard. Continuously grow, then eat all year round. I highly recommend it for you. Kale is very rich in nutrients, and it's even good for fighting cancer. Beautiful, like a tropical botanic plant. Evergreen, like an evergreen tree. Excellent. Sometimes kale will have some pests. You can just use tap water to wash them off, or kill them with your hands. Of course, wear gloves if you do this, and then wash the leaves off. If you buy kale in the store, it's very expensive. Just a couple leaves costs you a couple dollars at the Whole Foods store. These kales are planted by seeds in October. I spreaded the seeds into this area. It is in rainy season in the winter. No need to water the plants. Now they're all growing up. Like this one, at this high, you may need to trim this head. Let it grow branches. My children came to see its size. The kale grows like a tree. Very surprised at it. Even me surprised too before. It even surprised me. Look at this one I harvested just a moment ago. You just cut their branches and leaves off. You can eat the leaves without the hard branches. Today is Saturday. You don't need to buy any vegetables for this week, just from this one branch. But you can not only eat this one kind of vegetable. If you plant too much of only one vegetable, you do not want to eat the same. If you plant too much of all one vegetable, you'll start to get sick of it. Grow a couple different vegetables. Eat one kind per day. This is just like a tree. The main branch is too old to eat, but the small branches are young. Look at this point. They're all shooting up branches. They're little branches that are starting to grow. You just take the branches off the main branch, cut the head, and grow new branches. Then it grows into many, and you end up with this huge kale tree that grows year round. Click the subscribe link to see how to grow more vegetables.